1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hello friends! Welcome to the Varu Varu tutorial. I have my beautiful dancers here to assist me, and first we are going to show you the Varu Varu step. And we go. Dancers ready? And step, close, step, heel, step, close, step, heel, step, close, step, heel, step, close, step, heel. Very good. Varu Varu is a great preparation dance for beginners. It has elements of merengue action in it, and which is very helpful for dances like cha-cha and rumba. All right, let's break it down. Ready, dancers? So we start standing on our standing leg. The free leg is on the ball of your foot. The knee is bent and slightly crossed. And now we start going to this side. We go step and our hip moves into the opposite direction. Then we goes and step and heel. Step, close, step, heel. On every step we have a hip action. And step, close, step, heel. Step, close, step, heel. And our foot is in a flexed position. Very good. So let's try it one more time. And we go a little bit faster. Step, close, step, heel, step, close, step, heel. Try to keep your head in place. Step, close, step, heel. So our lower body is doing a lot of work, and our upper body is doing much less work. And our head tries to stay in place, so that we don't lead with our head when we step, but we only use the lower part of our body. Now let's try this with the music. Are you ready, dancers? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, close, step, heel, step, close, step, heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, flex. 1, 2, 3, flex. 1, 2, 3, flex. All right. Good job, dancers. So practice the Varu Varu basic step, and we will see you in our next video. Bye!